Hi students, welcome back to the Social Science online class. Today we are going to see Term 2, Unit 2, Physical Features of Tamil Nadu Part 3 video. Before going into today's session, let's recap what we have seen in the previous class. So in the previous class we had discussed about plateaus and plains, so that can be divided into two. First one is river plains and the second one is coastal plains. In the coastal plains we had seen hordes, right? So in the today class we are going to see waterfalls of Tamil Nadu. So waterfalls, what is that? We'll see. Waterfalls is an area where the river water flows down from a mountain. Okay, so Tamil Nadu has several waterfalls. We'll see some of them are. Okkenakkal waterfalls is located in Tharmaburi and the river Kaveri. Okay, Okkenakkal. Spell it with me, students. H-O-G-E-N-A-K-K-A-L. Okkenakkal waterfalls. Okay, so it is known for bathing areas, boat rides, and attracts many tourists all around the year. So our next waterfall is Kutralam. So this is very famous. Kutralam waterfalls. It's located in Tenkasi. It is in the Western Ghats and the river Chitta. Kutralam. C-O-U-R-T-A-L-L-A-M. Kutralam. Okay. There are a total of 9 falls, of which Peraruvi, Aindaravi and Puliyaravi are the most prominent. Prominent mean important. So totally 9 falls are very important, in which Peraruvi, Aindaravi and Puliyaravi are most important. Okay. Next waterfall is Surali waterfalls, that is located in Theni. Okay. Here the waterfalls from series rock steps. Surali waterfalls. And next one is Vattaparai waterfalls. It is located in Kanyakumari. Vattaparai. V-A-T-T-A-P-A-R-A-I. Vattaparai. Okay. The falls is surrounded by forest on all sides. So its surrounding area is full of forest. Okay. So people are allowed to take a natural path here. Okay. Our next topic is climate of Tamil Nadu. Students, do you have an interest to see climates of Tamil Nadu? Tamil Nadu experiences, okay, let's see. Tamil Nadu experiences tropical climate. So, tropical. T-R-O-P-I-C-A-L. Tropical climate. That means there is very little difference between summer and winter. So, there is no big differences. So, very little differences between summer and winter. So, that is tropical climate. Okay. The temperature during summer can rise up to 40 degrees Celsius. Okay. So, due to its location, Tamil Nadu experiences hot and humid weather. Humid means moist or wet weather. Okay. Almost throughout the year with mild winter. So there is very mild winter in our Tamil Nadu. And also Tamil Nadu is dependent on monsoon rains and often faces droughts if monsoon fails. So monsoon rains means the winter seasons. Okay. That is dependent on monsoon rains. It is a time to learn seasons of Tamil Nadu. Okay. So we'll see Tamil Nadu seasons that are categorized into 4. First one is winter season. So that is from January to February. Okay. The second summer season, that is March to May. And third one is southwest monsoon, that is June to September. And the fourth one is northeast monsoon, that is October to December. So what are the four seasons of Tamil Nadu, students? Winter season, summer season, southwest monsoon, northeast monsoon. Our next topic is forests. So we'll see information about Tamil Nadu forest. There are many types of forest across Tamil Nadu. So most of these forests are found in the areas near the Ghats. These forests have so many types of trees. So the forests have many different types of trees. So the topmost branches of the trees form a continuous chain such that little or no sunlight hits the ground. This is called canopy. So what is canopy? That is the topmost branches of the trees. The upper trees or form the continuous chain. So the connectivity such that little or no sunlight hits the ground. Okay. So that is called canopy. Okay. CANOPY. Canopy. Okay. Look at the picture, students. Here you can see forest in Tamil Nadu. So in the color differences, the forest types are there. So very dark color, that is very dense forest. And light green color is moderate dense forest. And the yellow one is open forest. And the simple is mangrove forest. Okay. So we'll see the classifications of forest. So the forests are divided based on the canopy cover. So that canopy cover is classified the forest types. So first one is very dense forest. So dense means the high density. Okay. Or a thick or the heavy cover of the trees. Okay. And second one is moderate dense cover. And third one is open forest. So very dense forest. So that is, we can find the Nilgiris, Coimbatore, Tirunelveli, Erode. And the moderate dense forest, we can find that forest in the Nilgiris, Coimbatore, Erode, Krishnagiri. And open forest, we can find Salem, Bellur, Dharmaguri. Okay. And also forest can also be grouped as further three classification. Okay. We'll see what are they. First one is evergreen forest. And the second one is deciduous forest. Deciduous forest. And the third one is swamp mangrove forest. Evergreen forest, deciduous forest and swamp, that is mangrove forest. Evergreen forest. So the word evergreen means, ever means always, always plus green. Okay, always green. So the trees in these forests have leaves that are always green. Okay. So in the Tamil Nadu we can find evergreen forest in the Western Ghats of Tirunelveli, Kanyakumari, the Nilgiris and Coimbatore. Next we will see deciduous forest. So the trees in these forests shed their leaves during the dry season. So in the dry season, in the forest trees don't have any leaves. So that trees are shed their leaves. Okay. The forests are usually found near the evergreen forest. They generally grow in the lower regions of the hills. So our final forest is swamp or mangrove forest. So the word swamp means areas that are low where water gets collected easily. Okay, so these forests are usually found near the beaches and river beds. So the example or the very important mangrove forest is Pichavaram mangrove forest. So that is located nearby Chidambaram in our Tamil Nadu. Okay, so that's all about the today class, students. We have completed Unit 2, Physical Features of Tamil Nadu. Thank you.